Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's. Yes, you are going to hear, a first-hand account from Jamaican man discussing his experience with police officers in Jamaica, shedding light on why he refers to them as police boys, due to his lack of respect for them. But not only lack of respect for them, but lack of respect for himself. Because, if you respect yourself, you're going to respect others, so you wouldn't call the police them police boy. So I was explaining to him why he's, why he's in that mindset of always referring to police as police boy and showing that disdain for them. As we say, at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we learn from everyone. You understand? And it's all about, teaching and learning at the same time. Because we don't know everything. As we said, that if we know everything, that means that would be AI, artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence has to be programmed. So it's human being that put the information in the computer, and you understand? So we are none of that. So his perspective is rooted in the belief that self-respect is a prerequisite for respecting others. If people do not respect themselves, they can't respect others. So during our conversation, we delve into some startling revelation. We touch upon Wayne Wanda's alleged involvement in the drug trade, which is bound to shock many. Furthermore, for the first time, you will hear about veteran dancehall artist Josey and his alleged role in stealing ballot boxes during a general election, a narrative with origins you won't believe. Yes, and we know Josey from a little boy, Josey and our parents, our friend, my father, and all of them people there. So I'm not going to deny him. Never. I will not, you understand? Once we know people, I'm not deny them. Josey Admiral Bailey, a whole heap of people and them things in them environment, the Cockburn Pen era. Yeah. You understand? So the caller's candid discussion also gives a strong opinion on Vybz Kartel. He believes that Kartel should remain in prison for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. This perspective underscores the serious nature of Kartel's crime and the impact they had on Jamaican society. So these insights provide a deeper understanding of the complexity and the complex relationships and historical events that have shaped perceptions in Jamaica. So it's essential to listen to these stories to appreciate the broader context and reasons behind certain beliefs and attitude within the community. So you know that we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel is just all about sharing information and educating the populace. And hopefully, once if we can change one life, that's the most important thing, because we're all about saving lives here. So, you watch, you listen, and you decide. I hope you enjoy it.
So I have to tell you, say, any whisper niece, you would love to shake off your hand, then my youth. You do a good job, man. Trust me.
All right, thank you, my brother. But you don't know, we just want my country.
Man. Oh, God Almighty, man. You are the best, man. You are the best police. Give me 1 minute. Here, 1 minute, okay, sir?
All right, my boss.
Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Me's a Jamaican. Well, you must know I'm a Jamaican.
Yeah.
Country me come from, but I Canada me live still, right? I mean, me live around come around now 70 years, so I am time there. But we go to Jamaica. Not so often, but Jamaica different, my youth. It's different.
Yeah.
It's different. Appearing corruption, man. You say it out of your mouth, man. Everything where you purchase out of your mouth, man, and the truth you attack, my youth. You don't corrupt, man. You're not a corrupt policeman. No. No, man. Trust me, man. It a come from your heart. May I tell you the truth, man.
Yeah, man.
Trust me. Yeah, man, you talk the things, man. You talk it, man. You talk the right thing, man. Trust me, man.
Yeah.
You are the best, man. You are the best, man. Trust me, man. Because sometimes I see, I go on YouTube and I see some stuff where the police them go on without them, man. And boy, trust me, man.
Like what? Like what the police them go on with? Like what?
We see all the police, man, like, let me say how can him stop a youth still, him just the man. I want young police boys, you know, him stop a man and
No. Hold on. Let me tell you this now. Me not appreciate you call the police boy and them thing there. Cause you see, even when me I say no, listen, man. No, that I something that subconsciously where you thought, you know, you understand. So what you're doing, that does come out from you, you know. You see, when I was a police officer, I don't call people boy or girl and all them things. Yeah. You understand? I treat people with respect. That's the way I want them to treat me.
All right.
You understand?
All right. Okay. You know, send me that Jamaica already. Because Jamaica already and with that man there.
Yeah.
And a policeman pull over the youth. It look like the youth then passing car and in a car. Sit down and the police and him wife come. And me and my wife and girlfriend, but one of the commander going in car and same as him go for the police boy come on and take the boy and
you see, hold on, you see, because that's something that is subconsciously in your mind, you know. That's why you think of the police, you know, as police boy. You hear you say again, something that you are consciously doing. You hear you say, oh, the police boy. So because it's a habit. No, listen, it's because it's a habit, you know. That's why you keep repeating it. So you know, as much as you appreciate the work that I am doing and them thing there, you don't really have much respect for the police them. I'm gonna be like police like me and them thing there. Look here now. In every organization you have good and bad and them thing there, but you know listen to me now, and not because you might despise some of them. Cause me despise them too, you know. Yeah. Me attack the thief in police them, right. And you hear me call them out and them thing there. You understand?
All right, so, that's true. I'm not fact. All right.
Yeah, so I don't use a blanket thing and treat all of them and say all of them, you know. You understand?
I know all the policemen are the same thing. Definitely for sure, man. For sure.
Yeah.
Definitely some of them is not the same thing. No, man. No, the whole of them are not. Even over Canada here we need them, man. Some of the police them are not the same thing. So there's some of them different. All right. Okay, nothing. You know, some I drive over here.
No, man. Go back to the police and Mandeville where you talk about.
All right. And the lady, the youth in the car and the lady come and I go in the car and the police walk up and say, boy, don't move from this way, you know. Don't move from this way, boy. I said talk to the youth, you know. If the boy don't move from this way, you know. And they won't give him a ticket. So him say you can't give me a ticket and me in my car, sit down, man. You understand what I say? You understand? And he come on and he give the ticket. So what's the reason why the police say I give him a ticket? What law did he breach? All right, because him come and park with what he's not supposed to park there.
Okay, all right. So let me. All right. If he's parking somewhere that he's not supposed to park, let me say I break the law.
Yeah.
So him can't. So
that is true, but no. When I say, him say, boy, don't move from there. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Him go for driver and he say, boy, don't move from there. That's what he said to the youth, you know. That's what he said to you, and him give him a ticket.
Yeah.
Him give him a ticket and he say more see in a court.
Yes. So if him look here, let me tell you this. So if he's parking somewhere that he's not supposed to park, let me say him a breach the law. So that's why him get a ticket. So all him have to do is go and pay it. So you have to remember, everywhere you have rules.
Definitely understand what you say, but I say I don't way him talk to the youth.
And that's wrong. And that's wrong. Him supposed to treat him. Look here. We know that we are from. Look here. Let me tell you how Jamaicans operate and all. We know that we are from a society. We are from a society where, when you're too respectful to people and you treat them with respect, them tend to disrespect you. Yeah. But when you disrespect them tend to treat you with respect. In which that's how some of my police them behave, because them realize that when they treat the people them with respect, them disrespect you. When you disrespect them as the police, them treat you with respect. Because them know say to them know they know that as citizen, them know say you as the police, you don't have no respect for them. So and they know that say boy, by you not having no respect for them, you will do them anything. So that's why police so as the people cause that, you know. Because if the people were being respectful to themselves, if they were respectful to themselves, the police would treat them with respect. You understand?
I understand.
Yeah, so it go both ways. You understand? What the police did, what the police have done is wrong. Not because you understand what I'm saying, but him just just culture. You understand? Jamaican and a whole, if you talk to them respectfully, them not appreciate it. Them like anytime you dog them up. Them like because you understand. So when you talk to a Jamaican and treat them with respect, in return them disrespect you. So if you disrespect them treat you with respect. That's how Jamaicans, everything is backwards. The policeman, you know.
Like the people them backward,
the police.
Them cause it on themselves.
Yeah, them help. No, because all right. Look, the same policeman that you're talking about now. You see, maybe if him say, sir, don't move the car. You know, if, just look on the response of most of the people when the police them being respectful. Boy, a dirty police boy, a bad man. Yeah, so you have to understand. So they are the one that help contribute to this kind of culture where them not respect themselves. Jamaicans don't respect themselves. So you understand? When the police show them no respect, them disrespect the police. When the police disrespect them, that's how when them show the police respect, because them know, so when the police disrespect them, them say police will do them anything.
Yeah.
And it is sad.
Yeah, and if I live in Jamaica, man, I don't know how them do it, because I don't know how you're gonna go on the road and drive in a car and you don't have a driver's license or insurance or nothing on the car. No, they can't do that, because anytime a police stop me, man, it have to be, not even say have to be a reason. Well, but anytime you stop me, I make sure me have everything on me, me have all of my papers. Me not say nothing to him, I didn't stop me, I give him all of my papers then. You're
talking about you saw the video the other day with a man was driving and him not have no insurance and him argue with the police. That's the one you talk about?
No, me never see that one. One of them with one young police boy, young, and him
you see, hold on, listen again. You see what I'm telling you about culture. You call him young police boy. If you hold on, that's hold on, man. Me ask you, how old are you?
Me are 60 now.
You're 60, so you're older, man.
Yeah, man.
So you see your mindset. You're 60, you know, and at 60 you still don't even. No, look here. And whether or not you want to believe it, you know, you see, because you don't respect yourself. That's why you don't respect the police officer. That's why you still are calling police boy. No, it's a derogatory term, and it's because you whether or not you want to believe it, you know, you despise police, you know. So that's why you are saying these things. That's why you call him police boy, cause you don't like police, you know. You understand? Maybe look here. When I say police, I don't talk every police, you know. You have some police where you don't like and them things.
Every police.
Why you don't like every police?
No. Me not say me no like any. Some policeman. No, some policeman. Because you know say some police them do go over the border where them supposed to go over.
Yeah, of course. And look here, I wanna make excuse to them on them thing there. You understand?
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know say me never in my life, me never talk to a police in Jamaica yet, no.
But
never talk to a police in Jamaica yet.
Yeah, but look here now. So the reason why you this in a year subconsciously you have this mindset where you call police boy. Let me ask you now. Let me ask you. What kind of experience you have back home in Jamaica with police officers? Why? Whether it's personal or whether a family or friend, why you come to that conclusion? Why you don't have respect for police? You just call them police boy. Are your experience, you know? Are your experience why that come to that, you know?
It's just It's just a talk, man. It's just a talk, man. Because you think to me that see a police in Jamaica and say, hey, the police.
No, me not talk about me I talk about subconsciously. Me I ask you, anything happen to you or any your relative or somebody who close to you in a Jamaica with the police? Anything happened to you personally with the police of Jamaica when you were there?
No, that's why I'm saying me never deal with the police.
So you never have no experience. So you no experience the police treat you with no treating you differently or this is
no. No, I just some video we see and see how they.
No, me not talk about me not talk about no video. Cause me know your mindset where you call police boy. It has to do with your disdain for police. You know like police, period. You understand? Whether or not you want look.
Some police me not like.
Okay, alright, okay.
Sure.
Alright, fair enough. Sure. Because like me, me I tell you no. Me not like thieving police. And thieving police not like me. Me not like police where thief, and me not like police.
Me hear your video.
Yeah,
me hear you preach that, man. Me hear you preach that. Me know that.
Yeah, I me not like police. Me not like political activist police. Me not like them. Yeah. You understand? The one that do things. Yeah. So that's why I'm asking now. So what kind of experience? Alright. So you say you never have no interaction with them for experience anything in a Jamaica or anything? No man, me not talk about Jamaica. So what? Okay. So you say so you say you have family where have experience with the police them and them thing and you leave a bad taste in your mouth. Things happen to people where you know, relative or friends. What happened to them? Why you have this disdain for them? Me tell you already, you know, so me not like thieving police. I'm call them name and them thing. Me not like thieving police and police will fight politics. Police supposed to be neutral. Period.
Yeah, you're right.
You're supposed to do your work and do it without fear or affection. That's why I look here. I see. Alright, look here. I see the reason why you hear me all the time when me talk and say PNP is a criminal organization. But me explain to you later on why me always say that. I make you understand. So what kind of experience? What kind of experience whether your family or friends have with the police them back in Jamaica? Why you despise them? What happened? No man, don't just be honest. What happened? Police robbed them. Police killed them. Why? What happened?
We have a cousin down there, man, and he's like, say, he might check this girl, right? And them find the youth, one ex-youth who check the girl, right? And them find the youth short cut, right? Them find the youth short cut.
Alright, so well, so let we get this now. So you have one girl.
Yes.
Okay, alright. More we get it. And then you have two men now where I look this they are with the same girl or they are looking or one is with the girl or both of them with the girl. When me say with you, I mean say them have an intimate relationship with her. Or the both of them are look the girl. So both of them intimate with the girl or them are look the girl?
Yeah. I look the girl.
Yeah.
Them say my cousin there with the girl and the other guy must look him. The other guy must look the girl.
Yeah.
Right?
And what happened?
Okay. And them cut the youth short.
So
right?
Not your cousin but the other youth.
Not my cousin, the other youth get him short cut, yes.
So them kill him dead?
Yeah man, him dead man.
Then that's the say, them kill him. So what happened now?
Yes. And my cousin first, them go for.
And what happened after?
You understand? Them can't go station and keep him there for 3 days.
And what?
They don't have nothing on him.
No, me ask you, so what when this happened?
Probably around 4 years now, you know. Yeah, probably around 4 around 4 years now, man.
So we are in Jamaica that happened.
It happened across keys.
Yeah, across keys.
Across keys police. We check the across keys. If on across key police them go for them, man. Across key police them go for him. Across key police them go for him.
Okay, so they suspect that it's your cousin that killed the man.
Yeah, I'm first them go for.
Okay, so all right. So what What reason? Alright, so what reason the police had to pick him up? I suspected him as the main suspect.
Because people them tell the police them say him check the girl.
The youth, okay, the youth,
with the girl.
The youth that's the deceased, the person that died. Them say him a look the other, that's a your cousin girl.
The girl, yes.
Okay, so based on that information now.
What the police them get.
And what happened after?
You understand?
So all right, so the community was trying to help the police. That's why them tell the police that.
If I help them, I try to help them or watch them. I don't know if I help them.
No, because them so the community want to solve the murder.
Well, I must that them want to do or whatever. Jed.
That's why they pick him up.
I have no idea. That's why they pick him up. That's why they pick him up.
Okay, so
but all right.
No.
Okay, let's say them pick him up.
No man, you said them pick him up on them thing there. So what happened? Yeah. So what happened during? So you said them carry him to jail at Mandeville and them have him in 3 days and release him. So what? All right, you said them lock him up. Them lock him up for 3 days.
Yes.
So what happened during the 3 days?
Them let him go back. Them let him go because they don't have anything for him.
And what happened after that?
They don't have it. Nothing happened, boss.
So they haven't all held the person who killed the
it's an unsolved mystery. It's an unsolved mystery.
Unsolved murder. So okay, so all right.
Yeah, man.
So he was killed in the same community.
Yeah, man. Yes.
So people in our community suspect say it's your cousin that killed him.
Well, that them suspects are him. But them just suspect. But suspect how that come in out? Tell me how that come in out.
Well, the reason being on them thing is that there have to be something. Right. So he might check the girl and we don't know. Maybe there are things where him echo and all these things. So what happened to the girl? What happened to the girl that your cousin was having a? They are still together?
No, nothing happened to the girl. Nothing happened to the girl.
No, so they are still in a relationship together.
That me don't know, me not sure, me don't know still, me don't know for sure, me don't know still,
So why you upset? So why you upset with the police with that? When them do them job?
Because, but number one, if them go for him, they're not supposed to keep him for 3 days, man.
Well,
at least take him and invest and question him or see what they can. But you can't keep him for 3 days.
Well, look here. Well, I can tell you that before. If you hear a policeman says. When Michael Manley was prime minister, people spent all a year in jail. You hear it on the channel. Police will tell you that when Michael Manley was prime minister, policeman got a foreign and left man in a jail, detained, and come back and you must say, wait, me not even remember say there. 6 months, year, 1 year.
Imagine that, Jim.
Okay, all right. So he must spend 3 days. That is better than spending 6 months.
A true man, yes. Or he could have get life sentence to us. Like you understand what I say? They could have do that to him to become a man spend that 20 years in jail and them do the crime. They just see the little man in Jamaica. Couple weeks back, we will spend most time in Jamaica.
45 years and that's true mad and them thing, and so them gonna try him.
Exactly, and you come out, see.
Yeah. So that that cannot be 4 years ago that on them thing. 4 years ago you are 56. That cannot be the reason why you use the terminology if you call police boy. May I tell you that?
No, but all right. Okay, all right. You think to me that call a policeman boy? Like if him say yo you can't park there or when you drive a license there, I'm just saying police boy just throw me alone. You wouldn't say that to him.
No, you might not say it to him face, but I mean I tell you say subconsciously when you are talking about police, even with your friends or anyone or your loved ones. That you refer to them as police boy. You don't call them. Yeah, so it's a habit. Yeah, but if you respect yourself still, you wouldn't call a policeman a police boy. You understand?
Right. Some police boy you can't. No, some policeman didn't deserve you call a police boy, don't you? You don't think so?
No, me still not call. Me not call them boy. Cause boy means them not responsible. But remember say boy. Boy, you understand? Remember, I say, boy, like for me, when you call a big man boy, it means I'm carouse and them thing there. I break the law and all of these things. You understand?
Yeah, that's a true still. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
So what? So
You're
so
right.
what? So what other experience you have? Our family with you at Jamaica? Why you know you always you call them police boy?
Well, like me tell you, say me that never. I just the word. I just that me use, but like me tell you, say me that never call a police boy, man. Me that never do it, man. Me that never do.
Well, you don't have to call him to your face. Them say behind dog.
But no. But and again, and every time, trust me, man. I know every time I talk about a policeman, they say boy, man. I know every time they say it, man. No, man. Trust me. Not
Well, it's up where it's etching in your memory and them things. So you understand what I'm saying, and it just natural. It just flow naturally. I just part of life. It's just like with me, like how me say, oh, me no like me, just like with me, and them things. Them say, oh, me no like thief in police. So you understand? Subconsciously and consciously, I mean that. And guess what? Thief in police not like me. You understand? Hey, look here, whether or not you want to believe in a whole heap of thief in the police force, even right now,
Oh, yeah, sir, man.
You understand?
They have a breaking up here, man. I run them up, man, because I'm going to collect some money from a youth where I'm not supposed to collect it, and some more police in there watch, man. I leave the force and come, man.
Oh, you a thief?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, well, I must steal because he take money from the youth because like the youth supposed to pay some money and he go pick up the money and more police in there and watch what I go on, see it and him left. He not leave all the force, Yeah, man.
They're not true, my thief, man. At them the people they want to get rid of the police force, the thief in police them.
Yeah, man, you have to leave the force when he come up, man, he come up, he married and come up here, man.
And most of them in time, although them can't stop, because thief will always be a thief,
So them stay.
Yeah.
And there is no we have a man at Jamaica should have joined a police force to go turn bad boy in there or should go be convict in a police force. It don't make sense, my you. That don't make that a fool is like sure it's different because you talk how you bring up from when you come up and what in your family, your mother and father.
Yeah, man.
Everything about you good, man. Everything about you good. No what sometimes my woman talk to me and I say, we must go on look. Just go on look. Because me I penetrate the eye words nothing now, yeah, man. You're a good policeman. I am good policeman. Trust me, man. Trust me.
Well, that's to the law-abiding citizens, but to the criminals, them and the criminal police, my worst stick, my biggest informer, I'm chat too much, I'm for dead. I tell you,
Yeah,
but like for me, me not care. I don't care one rat's ask what them want to say about me. You understand? Like even the one them want to kill me and them thing, as much as them want to kill me, them know if them try. They know if them try. And them no succeed, them know what time it is. Because I want life me having, I'm going to play with my life,
Because me going at some details with some DJ when because there's a man me listen to music, I listen to DJ like them, man. And some DJ when you call out and where them do me, tell you I said they shape me up,
Hey, you know who shape me up? Yep, you know who shape me up most, Luciana.
Listen, you don't say, I week and I look on Lucy and on a bike, man, and you're like a fake hat. And I say, this Lucy and the man they talk about, and the things they want to hear you talk, man. I tell you, man, some things they want to hear you talk, man. About Winnie Wonder and you see a budget there, man. I say, you shape me up, man. God, you know, man. Hey, man.
But you
know, man, it's bad, man.
Yeah, but I want to tell you, say, people, when know both of them and them things, Winnie Wonder and Buju Banton and Frankie Sly. Them other some people that say that Winnie Wonder is just guilty of the surrounding that he was a part of. You understand? Yeah. Cause him not live for them kind of life and them thing. As you hear him say, Winnie Wonder saying in him own mouth, him say Winnie Wonder say if him did involve in a drugs and love drugs money. He would end up at God jail with Buju Banton or Buju Banton. You understand? Go make the court deal.
Yeah, man, that's true, man. Enough people say like him name go for court. Of course a court deal up on my youth.
Yeah, but the man say it himself because basically, him have intimate information about what was about to happen. And him say him not go. So That for sure is a boy.
Yeah, man, that's true.
With that being said by him, that for sure is a him not involved in a for them kind of lifestyle. You have to use, you have to learn for the cipher thing, you know, and the certain things. So whether you like him or not like him, or true, you know, like Buju Banton and him and Buju Banton a friend, you have to just use.
Yeah.
If look here, if he even not sell, I sell himself, you know, say boy, him an honorable person. That alone, that statement alone, you know, when it come on to him reputation and him character, it shows say boy him totally different. Because he's telling you, you know, he might tell the world saying, look here, you say if me did involved in our drugs and them thing, them would have end up at jail with him, because when him a go him a tell myself him for come and me tell him say no, me not come, me none of them thing there. So that for sure say if he was even indulging in drugs things before, yeah, you understand? Yeah. If him did even involved before, he might tell you say even then him not have nothing to do with them thing there. You understand?
Do with them things.
Yeah. Cause he must show you straight. He must show you straight up. Say him not involved in nothing illegal. Cause if him did, and him a pursue money, him would have go with Buju Banton go on. You understand? So that for sure is a boy. Him totally different.
And the problem is, you know, man, if the man them do them thing and take their money and go to Jamaica and open up some things to the youth them without them, and instead of buying guns and send them and killing them in Jamaica. Come on, man. Come on, that make no sense, but that's why the man they get catch, because of the wrong thing them do. And the wrong thing them do. You know, see, because you see me more time, you see me, man, hey, actually I don't know, right there, if you go around my road side of my place, you know. We have like a little cabin around at the back, man, and we have one whole heap of wheelchair and some whole heap of stuff in the hospital. One check out Jamaica, go give it to the hospital, them out there, man.
So what? So
give it to them because
what? You have to go through the Ministry of Health to do that.
Yeah, you know, say me go down there already and me go and mandate I want hospital at the mandate. But the information they when them give me this to go do, and that don't make no sense. So me just say, all right, now come back.
So you have how many wheelchairs you have there where you want to donate to the hospital in Jamaica?
Me have 5 wheelchairs so far.
So how you get them new RUs?
Yeah, man, they use them, but they use but them brand new, man. They're still good, man. Because my youth, if they ain't good, take them. You understand?
So where you get them from?
Well, I work with a company still, you know. I work with a company where they with...
We sell wheelchair?
Old people. And no, they don't sell it. I work with a company where they use wheelchair and more time they move out and leave them. So, because I know the people... Jamaica need them. You know, me not dash them widget. They keep them, man. Trust me, man.
So what you need for this? You need to contact the Jamaican consulate in your city where you live, or the nearest one. I make them know say you have some wheelchair. No, me not talk. No, listen what me I say. Me not talk about the hospital. Me talk the consulate. In every country and them thing there, you have a Jamaican consulate.
No, you know,
no, me know what you tell me. Me not talk about yard. Me say you know what consulate mean?
Not really.
Consulate means say a Jamaican embassy.
Okay.
Jamaica have them embassy. Especially in North America and England and other. You understand? So all you have to do is just go to the foreign the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and you will see the various embassy. Them are what them call them cachet. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, because people. Anywhere where you have a large Jamaican population. In a country them.
Them have a thing over here them call the Jamaica Association.
No, me not talk about them. Me talk about it have to do with the government. So me tell you say you have an embassy in where you live. You can go online and look for it if you understand.
Okay.
Because you must so you know the children.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we have some, man. Yeah, man. We have 60 with a foreigner, man. Yeah, man.
All right. So ask them to go online and look for the Jamaican embassy were close to you, or you understand what I'm saying? And then you can make contact with them. Say you have these wheelchairs you want to donate to the Jamaican government.
Pick it up.
Yeah, and then we come pick it up on them thing there. You understand? They will make the necessary on them thing there. You understand?
Yeah, man, yeah.
And then you know, say, I don't know how it's going on your country. You could have filed back some tax thing for and get back some incentive from your government for you make that donation, because that's a part of, that's a charity. You understand?
Yeah, man.
But the only way we are gonna fix Jamaica, if we take it back from these 63 people. But we say one group of them, we don't say PMP is not for law and order, because we see them a fight.
Yeah.
See them or them a fight for Parla law. If them not love Jamaica, you know that though.
Why them a fight over the woman, so man? How them a going with, man?
Well, because you have to remember, say PMP is not a political party, it's a criminal organization. Look, look.
Them crazy.
Alright. Well, alright, look on this man from now Clarendon, this councillor brother with name Purcell. Upel Purcell.
Yeah.
Some people say it's UFL. Why the reason why I say Upel? Me have my reason why I say Upel. L. You understand? Yeah. But some people say it's UFL. Yeah, UFL kind of sound too nice. Upel, because of based on them behavior and them thing there. You understand? So Upel, remember saying Upel, Upel take picture of him body and send to our next man. That's another man business. But Mark Gold and kick him out of the party, say boy, say Upel a batty man. You understand?
That's crazy. Yeah.
Alright, but yet still, Giles and Sylvia will kill him wife. Him still in our party.
Yeah.
So that will show you who them cater for in our party. Them cater for people who are murderer. Because out of both men now, out of Upel or Giles and Sylvia, who them should have kick out of our party?
For real.
No, may I ask you, which one of them should have kick out of our party? Is it Upel or Giles and Sylvia? Are the murderer or the man to take picture and body and send to our next man?
No, I'm not take the man to take the picture.
No, may I say, the man to take the picture and body and send you our next man. You understand? Yeah. Or the man to kill him wife. Which one is more dangerous? The man to take the picture and body and send to our next man, or the man to kill him wife?
No, the man to kill him wife, man.
Well, I man to kill him wife if PMP are defend. Them kick out.
Yeah,
them kick out Upel out of party and them thing there. I must say. But yet still, although them do that, say, trust me. You're surprised how many people them are in a parliament with a big batty man on both sides, may I tell you. Right now, I stink now at Jamaica,
man.
Hey.
A true, man. For real, man. For real, but if you load the data, we should do our work, man. If she had the right.
No, man. Them not. You have to. Alright. You remember when you grew up, say murder was murder?
Yeah, yes, man.
You never have no bone. Okay, who you think coming with the minimum, maximum? Who you think dismantle them thing there and encourage people to commit crime? Which part? Which?
It checks your PMP still,
They're not checks here. Them do it minimum. You understand? That's why a man could have rob two people and execute them and get 10 years prison feed. True plea deal. IPMP do that. So them no regard them not have no respect for your life as a citizen. But you can't educate the dumbest them about that, cause dumbest them now sir, you're labor cause you talk the things. Them no want you to educate them cause them love the manipulation by the PMP criminal organization.
I'm hear you cross over me, you talk to a man on a phone like. And the material say you come from Kingston. I was starting come from now was starting Kingston in Barn.
Oh, Isaac Buchanan, man. That I lie we care. That I one I lie. I want to forget with that.
Yeah. I tell you that the man they are idiot because if you go pan YouTube go try to change your voice will change my youth. Anybody could unless they don't listen to you. Are you that and him? Him.
No, well, the thing is that no, him never say him, him not admit say him, cause
but the vice and the way him attack you know say he's a liar. Or in a some feel like that. You understand what I say?
Yeah, but he was sent by the PMP criminal organization in a field. No one will discredit me, but for destroy me. Intellectually, but them never understand say it's not a dummy and them thing. Because them feel say every police are big foot, big head, you understand? Based on what happened in my time when people joined the police force. But back then the police were more ethical now, you know. You understand?
Yeah. And them should have never make India a liar Jamaica because the man is
convicted. All right. Well, that's
makes no sense, my youth.
Well, and it up now.
Right now, if me's a rapist or something, and You know, me can't go to New York, you know, boss. Me can't cross go to New York, you
But
know.
hold on it. Alright. Hold on it.
Man, look, if they get me jobs at Canada, man, and that may record, me cannot go to New York, you know, boss.
You can't come in America. Alright, but look here, let me tell you this now.
Man.
You see what you just said? You have said something that is so important, especially the women. Because them don't know, you know, because most Jamaican are reading it. You know, so the same Isaac Buchanan right now took the realtor organization at Jamaica to court on behalf of a man who a rapist, a man convicted for rape and want to sell house at Jamaica. You didn't know that?
Imagine.
Yeah, man, right.
No,
and who you think the court rule in favor of? I rapist the court them rule in favor, and I say, yeah, man, said the rapist, the organization must make the rapist come out, because in the organization, them have them, you know, them various the requirements, and you're not supposed to be a convicted person. This man a convicted for rape woman, and got prison, and convict for robbery, all kind of crime him. So him pass him thing now. So him now take them Isaac Buchanan take them a court, you know. You understand? May I tell you this now? Isaac Buchanan, you watch a video this morning. You watch a video when we release this man about some two men who are in a PMP criminal organization have HIV positive. And it's because based on a girl when we talk to, we come from in a inner city and them thing, a pretty girl, and a rich man. I'm not gonna say I which political party I'm affiliated with.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Yeah.
As me tell you, I'm not link in a Labour Party, you know. You understand? But it's a rich man, and him travel between him live in America, and him travel between America and Jamaica, and him give this girl HIV at Jamaica, and based on that now, you know, I have certain information at my when me know for a fact. So two of them, two of these out of these 5 men are HIV positive, but them not tell other people. But the reason why I put up all 5 of them on them thing there is the people for at them. You know, that them for be wise. You understand?
Yeah.
So Isaac Buchanan now, him a fight for rapists now. So imagine you now.
Give me 1 minute. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. Later. All right. Okay, later. All right. Yes, boss. Yeah, man. I hear you now. Yeah, man.
So I just saw it going them thing. So Isaac Buchanan a fight for you, but a batty man, him a fight for you rapist now. You know, can sell your daughter and your sister and your cousin, women, and rape them. That way court I do at Jamaica. I tell you, say them don't love people, them don't love poor people. Because him now, but here now, you have to remember, you know, say Isaac Buchanan is a rear admiral, you know. So Isaac Buchanan, you know, say him not like woman, you know. Him not like women and a whole, you know. Rear admiral, you know. No, him not like, you don't know that. Because them in a competition with women. Them say women are for them competition, you know.
Yeah.
So him as a rear admiral, him have that disdain for women. You understand?
Boy, I'm not, you know, so I'm not even know, say, my man there is father, man. I'm not even know, you know, man.
Oh, big youth?
I never know.
Yeah, man, a big youth. But look here. You think Vybz Kartel a big rear admiral too? Why you think him kill Lizard? Yeah, Vybz Kartel a big rear admiral too. Why you think him kill Lizard? I don't know, because I'm not gun, you know. That was a smooth script. No, because Liz, the youth when him not nice, running from Jamaica, him a rear admiral too, you know. Him run away, you know. Him know about it, you know. Say Lizard come catch Vybz Kartel behind Sean Storm, you know. Sean Storm and make some noise like some effer cow, you know. Then if you don't know on the channel, man. Yeah, man. Vybz Kartel a big rear admiral. I don't know if nor but. You understand? Cause Lizard, huh?
They crazy.
Well, I saw it go on them thing there, but yet, and people with dead for him. So when you hear them talk about a Jamaican homophobic, and I lie them a tell. You understand?
Lie, man. You know, go so, because one time you could have never talk about them man there Jamaica. You mad man, you could have never talk.
Yeah, man. Isaac Buchanan, between me and Isaac Buchanan a big rear admiral. And you know if you ask, you know, say Zeke's a big rear admiral too. Raymond Price.
Yeah.
Raymond Price, that I MP, a brother went down at St. Elizabeth. And I tell you this. With this, I tell you, and you have this black brother who was minister, Dwight Nelson. Dwight Nelson, you have one son who a rear admiral, you know, and them kill him, you know. And you know, say, in a film diary, in a Dwight Nelson son diary, I think the Raymond Price name in it, you know. Yeah, man, and he was questioned by the police because them to kill the guy, you know. You know, say a crime of passion and them thing there. Because I saw them stay in a rear admiral, them, yeah. You understand? Damian Crawford. Yeah, man, Damian Crawford, him go both ways, you know. Yeah, man, him go both ways. Although he say him have baby and them thing. Them thing they are the sham, you know. You understand? Yeah. Hey.
Jamaican do something different, man. That's really true, man.
Hey, look here.
I need somebody to call it out. Need somebody, man. Trust me.
Well, you're not surprised. You know, a lot of people them are involved in all of these things, you know.
For real, man. Yeah, you know, see, for real, man. For real.
Big police and all of them things there.
For real. You see, the next man, when you see the video, you see the next man where him end up, I think he was a liar too, you know, he end up kill a youth in his house, and find a youth in his house dead, and they, like them free the man.
Now, you attack Patrick Bailey, man. You attack the Prime Minister liar. Right, Prime
Can
Minister.
you imagine, man?
They not say, you hear Mark Golding them attack, but them not attack against it, because Patrick Bailey and the whole of them are friend. You have to understand, that's how Jamaica go. So that's why they must say, boy, that's why them want to forget with a Paul of Llewellyn. You see, even without Patrick...
Yeah.
You
go find, you go call police and tell police and you wake up and see the man at your house. Take the man don't broke in or nothing.
And him not go to jail. Well, because you have to understand, say, you have a brother with the name Jesper Ford. Them man, they never say a murderer or a killer where they never love. He must be able to tell the police him man need bed rest like him pregnant. That's Patrick Bailey. Under normal circumstances, Patrick Bailey is supposed to go to jail immediately. But hey, corruption again, you understand? Yeah, because
man, real, man.
Yeah, you understand?
For real, a foolishness that dread. A fool, and he must say like him no hear when the gunshot fire. Come on.
I lie him I tell you, man. As a year one intelligence man and them thing that was close by and them thing. They even tell you the name of a man that was staying in one of the room at Patrick Bailey house. Cause the house when kill the man in a man house, you know. Yeah. So I kill the man for him own house and them thing. And the reason why, I tell you this now. And one of the reasons behind the main motive behind the killing of that man, and really about the property.
Yeah.
You have a certain politician where them say affiliated with the Umbrella Gang and part of the Jamaica Labour Party. Him and Patrick Bailey are friend. Just listen, yeah. So the same brother now where them kill, the man say the same politician. Him is a Rasta man and him bore all him tongue. Man, you know. Our man bore him tongue.
Oh,
so, yeah. You understand what I'm saying? And them say, yeah. Yeah, man, a Rasta man. Him and a Rasta, you know. You call him dread. Him bore theme tongue. Yeah. So the man now, the brother when him Genius now, see him on picture and show all some girl who work at Patrick Bailey office. The picture them, because the man and Patrick Bailey close, you know. But him, you understand? Yeah. So we don't know if Genius are a rear admiral too, you know. But it look like him a rear admiral, because him and Patrick Bailey close. So the brother now expose the same politician who want to bore him tongue and show the girl them the picture and them thing in the office. And it get him enraged. And them said that's the reason why them kill him. Because you understand. But if you know Jamaican politics, you that same brother there him beat Raymond Price over there in a Portmore. Yeah, man. And him a big rear admiral too. Him a rear admiral too, you know. When Siaga did the rear admiral couldn't say Siaga party, you know. I tell you, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Them man, they a big rear admiral, man.
Yeah? No, sir.
Yeah, man. The Labour Party never used to have rear admiral. And the man, they a big half, I'm a foreign minister or something like that. Yeah, right now in Jamaica, big rear admiral. Our man for bore all him tongue. Our man bore him tongue. You understand?
Right now, I have one daughter, And she bore her tongue. I'm not telling you, I said that's the only problem you have with her. She's a nice daughter, but that's the only thing she don't
well, so you don't know what them done in a Sodom and Gomorrah thing. As me tell a man and him something, me old fashioned certain things, hey, look here, certain things no woman can do to me, I mean nah do to them and them thing there.
Yo,
you understand? Them this thing despicable, man. Yeah, man.
Old fashioned.
Yeah, man. Me a old man, sir. Me old fashioned and them thing there. You understand? Me don't want them new world order and them thing there.
No, Jed, no, that Jed, no old fashioned, man. Big time, and that the son them say to me, yeah, man. For real, man.
Our big man bore all him tongue. And him a pal, you understand? So I just saw it going,
you know?
But them not love the people still doing it, my brother.
That's true, man. That's true, man. Jamaica gone, Jed.
Yeah, man, but me lick out a tree for them about it, you know, with Patrick Bailey, you know. And you know who, I can't tell you this, you know who kind of vex when me mention it. Here and now, what them vex about, because me say I Prime Minister liar. That is why in a media down there and the man dip on TV, I defend the Prime Minister. Him should have done jail a long time on them thing there. You understand?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, and you know, and Labour right vex about it because them say, boy, this you have no statute of limitation. So that's why them choose a commissioner of police the other day, you know, the one that they know right now. You say they choose a black man on here, MacArthur Sutherland. May I tell you, say Patrick Bailey that are jail already. May I tell you, them man they are straight police, you know. I saw his system stayed corrupt. And guess what them say now? Them say, boy, the reason why them not get MacArthur Sutherland. Them say MacArthur Sutherland PMP. So here some man now, I say no. May I show you police there. So all y'all is a bat for Labour right and them thing there and you a bat for MacArthur Sutherland and them a PMP. I have to tell one of them and say, you see, say you're a real dummy and them thing there. So if me a bat for MacArthur Sutherland and him a PMP, it's because the man have integrity and him character and him reputation stands out than all of them. So that for sure said I am not is not politics. This channel is all about. This channel is all about Team Jamaica. We want back Jamaica. You understand? But me say because you're a dummy, you can't see things through a different lens. Everything you see things as political. You understand? I not in the know say MacArthur Sutherland. I not in the know say MacArthur Sutherland a PMP. Me never know that. Because me and MacArthur Sutherland never talk yet from after I left training school. You understand? But me know so all if a police hate him and them thing there. Me know that because them call and say them hate him because him a man him play but you can't in a life still doing it. As a leader you can't behave like you're too perfect. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you can't be I me learn that from a man named John Gaz. You understand? Bad and the man they are bad police still doing John Gaz, you know. Bad in every way, the man they are good investigator and plus the man they are good street police, street detective. And you learn from them man there. You know, as a leader you can't behave like you're perfect. And you can't treat I expect your people them under your command for perfect. So you know you have to give people leeway. You understand when people mess up you correct them and you understand? But you don't try to kill.
Well, I don't know how you do it like how you would work with a car, you know, with a
thief in police.
With a bad put. Exactly. You don't know how you do it with that was my car the time become she say with a kill me.
No, look here. No, look here. The thief in police, them me and them are friends, so I don't work with them.
You don't work with them?
No, we work at same station, but me and them not work. You understand?
Real.
The only
I'm not asking about a case. But that case, one thing that you think that you kill them already, man?
Oh, no, I'm not him killer. I girlfriend do it.
And the girlfriend do it, you might eat that. Yeah, you might eat that still, you know. No, Jen, you don't take that there up there, Jen. No, Jen. You say for you, no question.
No, sir. No, well, if him do it, the series, because I see him bright light brother do it, you know. No, a bright light brother. Him see him on do it. Okay. Yeah, that's how the brother when name when name Tommy. Yeah, but that is him correct name, you know. Him correct name is R, you know. Yeah. So although him I use Tommy and him thing, him name Tommy.
You tell me right name. You come up with the right name. I want wicked youth, man. And him do himself when he go make mistake and call Sir P and I tell Sir P say like you know, he must call him because we might talk about a bullshit. He is a God-fearing person and all them things. The way the man talk, you know, the man guilty.
But yeah, but no with that and them thing there. You know, since me do the video, you know, see man gone underground, man. The man gone underground because I say alright, yeah, because the reason a criminal, you know, you have to understand how criminal thinking. Yeah, man, him can't sue me, man. Yeah, but me tell you, no, but here now. They were planning to sue somebody in one of British court and them thing there.
Yes.
And me tell him, say, boy, be careful because look here, me submit evidence and them thing that will destroy him. In case you don't know still though, you know. You know say, hey, you know say him poison him wife though. Him poison him see him wife, you know. Yeah man, and bury her and over. See him Tommy Bright Light. You must think a nice boy, a criminal, you know.
You know, see, man, you see the man actually two gun on the side a reggae for a sting, man.
Yeah, but you know, say illegal gun them though.
Hey, man.
Him not like illegal gun them him have, man.
Why? Them good. Them good. So one more thing. You think the cartel come and see?
No, man, come and if hey, look here, cartel safe or jail and them thing there. But that's why they want to get rid of Paul alone because the PMP want him to come out for make the PMP criminal organization, the Gaza nation funds them excited to come out and vote. Because hey, look here, you know say all right now. All right, somebody you know say right now you have people who come from jungle, you know, that live at Portmore, you know, 20 of them in a one house or 20 people live in a one house and them not related.
One house, man.
Yeah, so them say I'm not going to pay rent feet and them thing. 20 people live in a one house. So when them do not, yeah man, them a move people from concrete jungle because them can lose thousands of votes and bring come in a Portmore and them thing for try for wrestle back some seat, for win back some seat. So them a import voters and them thing there. Yeah man.
Vote, yeah man. Why they corrupt down them bad man?
What?
You have a white daughter got Jamaica, and she got Jamaica.
You have a white daughter?
Jamaican state. No. Me mean say it's a white daughter when me know and she raped together, right?
Oh, yeah, a white girl, yeah.
Yeah, she is supposed to got Jamaica in a COVID and she never gets to go because of COVID and she planned one, she go down there when last week and every 2 weeks and she come back. She tell me someone, she say anytime she gets vacation in Jamaica, she go back, man. She said she love it.
Yeah, Jamaica nice tourist, but not for you as a Jamaican.
Exactly, for real, man. A true man. For real.
Yeah, man, Jamaica nice tourist.
I don't really run up and down, still. I don't really gonna wait too tough like that, you know.
Well, you have to protect yourself, you know.
Yeah, man. Definitely, man. Trust me. Real, man. Real. Like how you sound the alarm for enough of them, man. Because enough of them, man, when me listen to and talk up, not say talk up to me, listen to man, the music, I listen to Josey and the man, when me hear some things about that, the man, the man, what in the teeth, like they say the teeth ballot box, right?
I like that, man. Police.
I lie.
No, man. Hey, look here. May I tell you something now? Between me and you.
Yeah.
Alright. May I tell you something? May I show you a police wicked, you know? Yeah, man. That's why them not like me, you know? So, me station at Hunsby, you know? And during the 93 and the 96 election, I was there, you know? And you have a police now where him used to work a thing there, down a flying squad, and you understand. So him now, you know, in a circulate music, circulate information in a day. We have a group with police. You understand? So him now circulate the information, you know, about say one police named Daily. Say Josey will thief ballot box and the man them have all my priest, you know. Have all my priest name for affidavit, you know. So my priest sign affidavit that say Josey will thief ballot box. The priest are my friend, you know. A man named Burchell McPherson. Say a quote, yeah man. So I have to confront. I say look here, police. a liar, police name Dial him, name Michael Dial him, come from St. Thomas.
Yeah.
Them man, they are more PMP than them. Hey, look here. Police and a whole two and them thing there. Them my part will help contribute to the crime thing in Jamaica. You know. Cause them not, they are not patriots, you know. They don't see what is best in Jamaica. Them say what best in them party. That's why PMP will never change. You understand?
Yeah.
So that when them not talk about with Josey will say Josey will thief ballot box, I lie that. There's no truth to it. I was at Hunsby. You understand? And them tell lie Josey will didn't care with man a gun over a Catholic church. Lie. There's no truth to it. You understand? And say the prime at the time Andrew Holness lie that. Me that Hunsby I never hear anything of the sort. At the time I'm tell you who was a commanding, a man named Dudley Bryan was a commanding officer at Hunsby, and the crime chief was a man named Granville Gas. Nothing like that. All of them things that lie them tell upon Josey will. Just smear him name. You understand?
Yeah.
But I just saw it go on them thing. That's you know, politics are a rough game, but boy, when people are gonna lie upon other people, man, it's terrible, man.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? You understand?
Vote yet still, you know? Vote yet still.
Well, hey, look here. Anyway, you live on them thing, you must participate in a democracy. That's how me see it on them thing. Me is a man, me vote. Me live in America and me vote in every election. I just saw it go. I mean, I vote because of me want things on the government. I direction them want to the country. You understand? So when somebody have vote at Jamaica, it's when a man at Jamaica have vote and about say, boy, I mean, I get nothing from government because you're socialistic. Yeah. Government not supposed to give you nothing. You supposed to create that. No. The government supposed to create that environment where you can strive. If you are looking from the government, them say you want the government take taxpayers' money and give to you. If the government do that to everybody, what there's not going to be any money there for take care of the nation. Yeah, and the thing is that what government need to do now, them need to pass a law for cut out the vote buying. You understand? I PMP them, you know, them are art it, you know, when them buy vote.
Yeah.
And then now it trickle down now to that's how them get rid of Siaga where the juggies them buy votes along with Dudos and get rid of Siaga. Sure. I know it become rampant now. See it become a part now I Labour Party now where Labour them I tell all them MPs say, oh me not vote unless me get money. So the only way you can stop that, to cut out that, because you have to have laws as deterrents, you know. Make it mandatory for every Jamaicans vote. If you don't vote, you go to court and pay a fine. Simple as that. So if you don't have to pay the 10 grand, I mean, I saw it go. If you don't have to pay the 10 grand fine, you go and vote. Even if you want to go and spoil your vote, you understand? At least you vote.
No matter who you want to vote.
Yeah. Then if you not vote, if you not vote, all right. If you want a crime-free Jamaica, and you want a government that tough on crime, you can't vote for PMP criminal organization. I mean, I tell you that. So if you want to say me a labor, I feel your business that because we see the PMP right now, Mark Golin, I will release even another video about him where him I tell the people them say, oh, a murderer forget 8 to 12 years of prison and get parole and second chance at life. You encourage people to commit crime. You don't respect people's life. You understand? Whilst they no, them not in that. The PMP no hang people. So that's why we are telling all them things. So that's why we say we are labor right, because the labor rights are the one where right now, when we say the labor rights, remember the Prime Minister, you know, him claims that evolving. If the Prime Minister, like for me not evolve when it come on to murder. From me at 4, me believe say if you kill somebody, you for dead. From me at 4.
Yeah, man, that's true, man.
All right.
True, man.
So when the Prime Minister say him evolve on them things, him because I have a PMP criminal organization mindset. Me not have sympathy when it come on to criminal. You understand? Zero. Me not serve sympathy coffee or tea, breakfast, lunch, dinner or supper. You understand? No sympathy, man. We don't know that. Yeah, we don't know that and them thing. You understand? So that's one of the biggest problem we have when it come on to Jamaican politician them. You understand? Like the Prime Minister. You understand? Yeah. But him better than Mark Golin, because him not say 45 years to prison. Guess what now? You know who want the death penalty? Paula Llewellyn. So that's why they want to get with her. Because Paula Llewellyn, you know, all of the tough law them we have right now, where a man get all
because of she.
Alright, because of she behind there with Delroy Chuck, cause she, you understand? Because she said you can't a man
they don't like it.
Yes, because she tough on crime. That's the main reason. Nothing else. Because
right thing shall do, you know, see.
Yeah, man. Because she look out for poor people.
PJ Patterson come out and talk about free Kartel, they must let him go.
No, him never said that. No, I like, that's why you have to read. PJ. No, that's why I tell you. Hey, some of the blogger them, you know, you have say you have YouTube for dummies though. You know that though.
Yeah,
You have to read, man. Some of them are misleading, man. Cause you see, yeah, man. Most of them, there's some things for clickbait.
When you see certain things, you ask the next man like you know, we already ask you.
Yeah, man. PJ Patterson never said that. PJ Patterson was saying that because the PJ Patterson said that the judge in a Vybz Kartel case and the prosecutor along with, and him said the defense knew of this law where no say boy if what they did during Vybz Kartel trial, the defense attorney knew that that they would win at the Privy Council because of a ruling that happened already. You understand? So he never said them for like a Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel for dead at prison, man. Vybz Kartel, you understand? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I want to tell you, say, first, I want to tell you, say, Vybz Kartel, I kill people for reaching the music industry. Because they used to have a competition over Gregor Park every Wednesday. And Vybz and man win all TV over him, and Vybz Kartel pay. Him name Doobie. And all of them came on and them kill the youth, man, and put the youth body behind a tank on them. Me have all of them things there, you understand what I'm saying? But I just release them. We have whole heap of dirt on Vybz Kartel. People intimate, and that's when I'm circle with him and him. I feel woman I problem still, you know, Shorty, you know.
Yeah.
Shorty, I want to encourage Vybz Kartel in a crime. You understand?
Because the police demand to call a bus off your house couple months now or whatever.
Oh, when them go for his son and them thing, with the thing, them a criminal, man.
But
it's just a matter of time, you know.
The address where they on the paper and that the right address. But if you are right name the
warrant.
Yeah. So probably they didn't make mistake with the address, but I right name the pan still. You understand what I say? I see.
Yeah.
Real man. Free Kartel.
Yeah, man, Kartel for the prison, man.
The man do a crime, yeah, man, for real.
Yeah, but
well, I'm glad we talk to you, I'm glad, you know, and you know, if we not say police boy or whatever, you know, just don't accept it till it's alright. It's okay, we don't say it like that.
Yeah, well, I start going them thing there. We grow, you understand?
Yeah, man.
Alright, my boss. Man, blessed love, man.
You know, one next position. I actually call him more time and I want to talk to him. We can call him, man. Alright, sir? Alright,
my brother. Blessed love and all the best to you and your family.
Take care of yourself. You too.
Alright, cool.
Alright, bye, man.
Yeah, so we have come to the end of this call. With this caller, you know, I hope you enjoyed. And, you know, there's so many more to come. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.